A total transformation of epic proportions. Expect to be impressed. Not only does this beautifully presented home offer gorgeous street appeal, the inside just keeps getting better with a stunning renovation that could be straight from the pages of House & Garden magazine. The upper level provides an abundance of living options for the largest of families with sprawling open-plan living, dining and family rooms, and your choice of large, breezy front and rear decks. The heart of the home offers a gourmet galley-style kitchen with stone tops, walk-in pantry, soft-close cabinets, stainless steel Miele appliances, and the brilliant convenience of a Cervry bifold window out to the huge northeast-facing timber deck, just perfect for year-round breezes. The bedrooms are spacious and built-in, and the upstairs bathroom is picture-perfect with floor-to-ceiling tiles, modern high-end tapware, and stylish oversized wall-hung vanity. The lower level has a formal entry, utility rumpus, guest room, modern second bathroom, huge laundry, plenty of devoted storage, a great home office and multiple car accommodation. The lush green backyard is child and pet friendly, and beautifully landscaped gardens and manicured lawns surround the rest of the home. With an unrivaled renovation and some extraordinary enhancements, this one will have just about everything on your wish list, so come and see it today and start planning your best move yet.